Hey guys! Today let's learn how to add Threads badge on our Instagram profile. So if you'd like to go ahead and add the Threads badge over in our Instagram profile. In this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to add that step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright you guys, so when you hop on over onto the Instagram publication, I want you to go ahead and tap on your profile and tap on edit profile. As you see, the option for us to add the Threads badge won't be available since it's only a one-time thing. So if you're one of those users of Instagram who created a Threads account, automatically you will have that Threads badge. So I'm gonna show you guys that an example right here. We do have the Threads badge over here, but for those users who just tapped on that Threads badge and tap on hide, as you see, there is actually a warning on here that tells you that you cannot add it back to your profile once you have removed it. So, as of the current movement, and as of the current update of Instagram, once you have removed your Thread badge, because by default, basically, it is already there, but once you have removed it, there is no way for you to get it back anymore. My advice for you guys, if you have already created your Threads badge and Threads account, you will automatically have that Threads badge by default, and don't remove it anymore, because you will not have a chance to bring it back anymore once you have removed it already. And that is all for this video guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as all if you guys were born in something. And I'll see you guys on the next video.